In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in ByBit. So first of all, open up your ByBit app and make sure that you are on a verified account. And if you aren't started yet on ByBit, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get a nice welcome bonus like free crypto. So anyway, let's dive into the video right now. So from your home tab, go ahead and click on Assets at the bottom right, and here click on Deposit. Once you click on Deposit, you will see Deposit Euro, and I am on a Euro account, so that's the reason why it says Euro. But if you are on a different currency, it will say that currency. But I'm just going to click on that deposit option. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can select the amount that you want to deposit. So you have three payment methods. As you can see, we have SEPA, an easy bank payment, and we have Zen. So these are also based on your location. So go ahead and pick the most convenient one. And you can make a selection based on the percentage of fees and the time that the deposit will take. And as you can see, all three have real time, so that is nice. So right now I'm going to enter the amount, and the minimum is 10 euros. So let's go ahead and click on 10 euros. So I'm going to select SEPA, and I'm going to check this box down below, and now I'm going to click on continue. So at the top, you can select your bank account that is already linked to your ByBit. And if you haven't linked a bank account yet, then go ahead and click on add new account. And then just go through the process by filling in everything that you need to do. So I already have an account linked, so I'm going to select that one, and then I'm going to click on continue. So in this screen, you will see all the details of your recipient. So go ahead and fill in all these details in your bank transfer. So it's really important that all the information is matching, and also the reference ID. And if you do that, then your deposit will get recognized by ByBit, and then your fiat will be deposited after they receive the fund. And the arrival time of your assets depends on your bank's efficiency. So this is how you deposit money in ByBit. Just go ahead and do this, and then your deposit will be made. And also make sure that you are depositing the same amount as you have entered in ByBit. So in this tutorial, I have entered 10 euros. So then make sure that you are also sending 10 euros and not something more or less, because this can cause confusion. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.